Hi friends, today we will learn how to find out equation of least square regression line, which is y equal to bx plus a, where b is my gradient and a is my y-intercept, by using calculator. Whenever you want to get your line equation, what you need to find out is you need to find out your gradient and you need to find out your y-intercept. So generic line equation is y equal to mx plus c, where m is the gradient and c is the y-intercept. So you need to find out your gradient m and c, and then you do have your line equation. Here we have created the simple data between height h in centimeter and mass m in kilogram. So different heights and mass data is given, and we want to find out the equation or the relationship between height and mass. So here my y equal to mx plus c. My y is nothing else but the mass, so I'm replacing my y with m. My x is nothing else but the height, so I'm replacing my x with h. When I'm using a calculator to find out gradient and y-intercept, my gradient is going to be capital B and my y-intercept is going to be capital A. That's what I need to find out. So by using calculator, we will try to find out capital B, which is a gradient, and capital A, which is y-intercept, and then we can put down those values in this equation of m equal to capital B h plus capital A. So now we'll start using a calculator and put down the things in a calculator about this data. So at first I'm going to press button mode. Now I'll go to number 2, which is statistics. In that I'm going to go to number 2, which is a plus bx. Now you can see your x and y. So I'm going to plug my all values of height in x and all the values of mass in y. If you have a frequency button on, they may be here, but don't worry, it will come automatically 1. You don't need to worry about that. So I'll feed my height value first, 163, and then you can press equal to 165 equal to 170, 175, 178, 180, 182, 186, 190. Very important, guys, we don't do unnecessary rush and make a mistake. Now you can use this side button and then you can go up to feed your y values. So I'll go next to 163, which is my first x value. So now I can put on my first value 55. So 55 equal to 60 equal to 64, 66, 65, 70, 71, 74, and 78. Now I feed my all values of height as x, all values of mass as y. After feeding all the values, I'm going to press this button, which is AC, all clear. So I'm pressing this now. Now I'll go to shift and 1. So you can see in yellow one that is a state. So I'll press shift and then I'll press 1. To get my line equation, I will be going to number 5, which is regression. So I need my gradient, which is capital B. I need my y-intercept, which is capital A. So you can see my gradient, which is capital B, right here, and my A, which is y-intercept, right here. So both the values are here. Once I get it, I can plug my values. I'm done. But we can get only one thing at a time. So at first I'll be getting my my gradient, which is capital B. So I'll press 2 and equal to. So this is the value of the gradient, 0.7175, 1, 2, 3, 23365. This is my gradient. Now if I want to get my y-intercept capital A, I can press AC. I can do again shift 1. I can go to 5 again, but this time I want my y-intercept, which is capital A, so I'll press 1 and then equal to and minus 65.63424. This is my y-intercept. So now I did get my B, capital B, which is gradient, my capital A, which is y-intercept. I can plug these two values here, and that will be my line equation. So now you have successfully learned how to find out your equation of least square regression line by using calculator.